How to make aloe vera juice for medicinal treatments. Although aloe vera can benefit us if we use its gel directly, we can also prepare aloe vera juice that will have multiple medicinal uses. This juice concentrates all the benefits of aloe vera and provides the body with many nutrients to help improve health. What are the properties of aloe vera? It is rich in vitamins A, B group, C, mucilage, minerals, tannins, oils, fatty acids, oleic and linoleic, and amino acids. It has the ability to regenerate skin cells. It has digestive properties. It acts as a powerful detox. It stimulates the regeneration of internal tissues. It helps fight against viruses, bacteria and fungus. It regenerates skin cells and prevents premature aging. It acts as an analgesic, pain reliever. It fortifies the immune system. It has a powerful anti-inflammatory action. How to prepare medicinal aloe vera juice. Before beginning the preparation of aloe vera juice, it is very important to have in mind that the fresh gel of aloe vera will oxidize very rapidly once it is in contact with the air. For this reason, it is recommended that you extract it just before beginning and that you process it immediately once you have opened the leaf. Cut off the outer spines of the leaf using a very sharp knife. When you have done that, wash the knife immediately. Split the stalk and extract the gel that it contains. Put a generous amount of the aloe vera gel in a blender, add some citrus juice, from oranges or grapefruits, for example, and finally blend all the ingredients for a couple of minutes. The juice from citrus fruits is recommended because it helps to briefly stabilize the exposed aloe vera gel, thus giving it a better flavor. Pour the processed juice into a sealed container, refrigerate it and then use 2 tablespoons in a glass of water to make a glass of aloe vera juice. The juice from aloe vera can remain in the refrigerator for up to a week, but to receive the best part of its benefits, it is recommended to drink it in just a couple of days. How to use aloe vera juice for medicinal treatment. This juice from aloe vera is rich in nutrients and properties which are highly beneficial for health. This juice is good at helping to prevent diseases, and it also functions as a treatment for a variety of problems that afflict your health. The normal recommended dose is 2 tablespoons, from 1 to 3 times a day, by itself or in juice. To fight constipation. Aloe vera juice has a laxative effect that can help to fight constipation. A glass of this juice taken on an empty stomach will improve digestion and intestinal movement. Intestinal problems. The juice from aloe vera can also be taken to fight other gastrointestinal problems such as, for example, irritable bowel syndrome, since it acts as a regulator for the intestines and ulcers. It fortifies the immune system. It is rich in antioxidants and other essential nutrients that help to fortify the immune system, preventing different types of illnesses. Also, studies are being conducted as to whether its content of antioxidants, beta-sitosterol, vitamin C, beta-carotene, zinc and selenium could be an anti-cancer food. However, in this case it still lacks sufficient scientific evidence to help fight diabetes. The juice from aloe vera can be used as a food supplement to help reduce the levels of sugar in the blood. However, if you have a diabetes and you want to drink this juice, you should first consult your doctor in order to avoid possible side effects. Side effects from aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice has very few side effects, but in some people it could produce adverse reactions. Among these side effects are the loss of electrolytes, leading to a delay in the healing process, and a change in the color of urine to a pinkish tone. A fluid imbalance. Intestinal cramps. Moreover, it could have adverse reactions in people taking medications to treat problems such as Crohn's disease, intestinal problems, those who are menstruating, have appendicitis or colitis. In all these cases the wisest course is to consult a doctor before you take it.